Hi Dan, I have a couple of things I want to help you with on the solar home design document from Word Unit C. All of your other documents were perfect, but this one has a couple of things that I'd like you to mess with so you can get them perfect. So to start out with, the address that we have here would look nicer and more accurate if it didn't have the extra space in there. So select those three lines, and then up in your paragraph group, choose to remove the space after. Now it looks more like a paragraph. Okay? The second thing is you've got an extra paragraph here before your list of prices on all of the items that you have in your quote. So let's remove that empty line. Next, notice that your numbers do not line up on the right-hand side, and it's typical that you should line up your numbers on the right-hand side with a right-hand tab. So we want to set a right-hand tab with the dot leaders in it. So to do that, we want to select all of the lines. Okay, and then if you look up here at your ruler, you can see you've got some problems here because there's two tabs, then there's the the left tab and the right margin. So we've got too much going on right here. So let's fix that by going into the tab menu. That's in the paragraph group. Hit the expanding button, and then tabs is in the corner. Let's take out the 5.75 tab, and let's take out, I'm sorry, click on it and clear it. Click on the 6 and clear it. Now we want the 6.25 tab to be a right tab with a dot leader in it. And then we're going to hit OK there. And notice how that just squares up everything here. Looks much nicer. Okay. Lastly, on just your signature line area, when I look at these four lines, you have moved your line indent over to the center. And in fact, I'd like you to practice another way to do that. So let's select all four of those lines, and let's drag the indent margin clear back over so they're all square on the left. Okay, again, with the four lines selected, let's just move to the ruler about 3.25 and click, and that will automatically set a left tab. Then click in front of Respectfully Submitted and hit Enter. Click in front of your name and hit Enter. And then we need a little space in there for you to sign. So after the Respectfully Submitted line, push the Enter key once or twice, however big your signature is. So you have room to sign there, and then leave the accepted by and the date on the left-hand side. So if you would please make these changes on this document and staple the new printout to the back of your package and turn the whole thing in again, I'll update your grade for this particular unit. Thanks, Dan.